Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will give a simple explanation about common error in sentence construction. The first speaker, Hawia. The second speaker, Elsa Widiarni. The next speaker, Riz Kamalia. And the end speaker, Nur Sakina. There are common error in sentence construction. Camouflage, sentence fragment, run-off sentence, and parallelism. What is camouflage? A camouflage result when two independent clauses or complete sentences are incorrectly joined or spliced with a comma. Remember, each clause must have a subject and verb. Each clause must express a complete thought. Example of the camouflage: the doctor performed the operation, the patient died. How to fix a camouflage? We can use period, we can use semicolon, we can use coordinating conjunction or from boys for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. We can use subordinating conjunction: how, though, as, if, unless, however, as, if, in order, that, until, whether, after, ever, since, that, where, although, whereas. And we can use a period or semicolon followed by conjunctive adverb like beside, as a result, moreover, indeed. For example, in conclusion, furthermore, and vacance. In other words, however, then, as a consequence, in addition, therefore, and nonetheless. Use a period. The doctor performed the operation. The patient died. Use two semicolon. The doctor performed the operation. The patient died. Use a coordinating conjunction. The doctor performed the operation, but the patient died. Use a period or semicolon followed by the conjunctive verb. The doctor performed the operation, then the patient died. Use subordinating conjunction. Although the doctor performed the operation, the patient died.
Okay, for this part, I will explain about run-on sentence. What is run-on sentence? Sometimes run-on sentence called a view sentence. A run-on sentence has two or more independent clauses which are not properly connected to each other. A camouflage is a type of run-on sentence. For example, the weather is bad today. Wear your coat. How to fix a camouflage? First, use a period. Second, use the semicolon. Third, use a coordinating conjunction. And the verb, use subordinating conjunction. And the last, use a period or semicolon followed by conjunctive adverb, however. For the first, use a period, a sentence. For example, the weather is bad today. Wear your coat. And the next, use the semicolon sentence. For example, the weather is bad today. Wear your coat. And use a coordinating conjunction. For example, the weather is bad today, so wear your coat. So is coordinate conjunction. Next, use a period or semicolon followed by conjunctive adverb. Sentence, however. For example, she felt tired and sleepy all day. However, she could not leave the office to sleep. And the last, use subordinating conjunctions. Dependent, independent clause. For the example, Because the weather is bad today, wear your coat. Because is subordinate conjunction.
Okay, I will continue the explanation. What is parallelism sentences? Parallelism means that word, phrases, and clauses in pair or group must all have the same form. How fix a parallelism? Verb must match with verb, noun must match with nouns, etc. For example, I have been to Beijing and saw the summer palace. How to correct the sentence? I have been to Beijing and saw the summer palace. I have been to Beijing and have seen the summer palace. I went to Beijing and saw the summer palace. Next example. She likes to read but not write. She likes to read but not to write.
What is sentence fragments? It is a piece of information which has the appearance of a complete sentence but lacks some characteristic of a complete sentence: no subject, no verb, independent clause without independent clause. Example: no subject, no verb. I'm looking forward to going on vacation, so excited about visiting new places and meeting new people. Corrected. I'm looking forward to going on vacation. I'm so excited about visiting new places and meeting new people. No verb. On warm evenings, there are hundreds of people walking on Main Street, many enjoying live music and eating ice cream. Corrected. On warm evenings, there are hundreds of people walking on Main Street, many enjoy live music and eat ice cream. Example: independent clause without independent clause. It is necessary to become independent learners because we are studying in college. We need to be aware of our triggers of weakness and plan accordingly. Corrected. It is necessary to become independent learners because we are studying in college. We need to be aware of our struggles and weaknesses and plan accordingly. Fragments. Be carefully. Oftentimes, fragments are embedded in the middle of a paragraph, and our natural tendencies to read an item to make sense will cause us to middle fragments.
Okay, that's our presentation. We apologize if there are errors in the pronunciation of the vocabulary in explaining. I think enough. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.